Are you still spending hours liking posts, following accounts, and sending messages just to grow on Instagram? It's time to do it smarter. Welcome to Swwpa, your automatic Instagram assistant. Swwpa works for you 24/7, mimicking real human behavior to grow your account organically, safely, and consistently. While you create content, Swwpa does the heavy lifting. It follows users in your niche, likes posts strategically, drops natural comments using smart syntax, and sends automatic welcome DMs without raising flags. All with human-like pauses, random breaks, and safe daily limits that protect your account. Want to go even further? Swwpa lets you target your competitors' followers, work with specific hashtags, interact with your own feed, or upload your own CSV lists for precision growth. No private accounts, no irrelevant profiles, no repeated interactions. Every action is designed to attract real followers, people genuinely interested in what you do. And the best part? You never need to give your password. Swwpa runs locally in your browser, using your active Instagram session. More control, more growth, less effort. Install Swwpa today and let your Instagram start working for you. Swwpa, smart automation, real growth.